I recently discovered a super interesting indicator on Tradingview, so I decided to combine it with two more indicators. One which is a trend filtering moving average and another one which is a buy-sell indicator called twin range filter. After combining the three indicators, I decided to take random trades using a simple strategy that I developed. These are those trades. Now, keep in mind that these two indicators, the DEMA and the twin range filter, are the secondary indicators in this strategy. The main indicator that I used is this one called HTF candle insights, meaning higher time frame candle insights. If you're wondering what that means, well, it basically means that this indicator prints out higher time frame candles on your chart. The way it does that is like this. As you can see here, these are the current time frame candles and these are the higher time frame candles. Before we dive too deep into this indicator, of course, you want to know how to add it to your chart. So on Tradingview, you're gonna go to the indicator search tab, then type in HTF candle insights, and it's gonna be this one by Ziaman. Now, after adding this indicator to your chart, you can see that these are the only elements displayed on the chart. You know, the higher time frame candles and this blue line right here. So let's access the settings real quick and customize it to the 5-minute time frame. So since I'm trading on the 5-minute time frame, I want the higher time frame analysis to be done on the 30-minute time frame. For you, if you're using any other time frame, you can come here and select your own higher time frame. You could be using the 1-hour time frame on your chart, and you need the higher time frame analysis to be done on the 4-hour time frame. You can just select that. You could be using the 1-minute time frame on your chart, and you need the higher time frame analysis to be done on the 15-minute time frame. So you just select that. But for my 5-minute time frame chart, I'm gonna go with 30 minutes. Then here we have the amount of candles. This refers to the number of higher time frame candles that are gonna be displayed on the chart. For me, I think a decent number would be 20. Then here we have the ability to change the colors of the higher time frame candles. For me, I think the red and green combination is pretty perfect. And then we're gonna activate the range. And as you can see, it's gonna be giving us the higher time frame range. Range basically means the distance between the lowest price point to the highest price point over the last 20 candles. Also, let's change the mid color to white and disable the range high-low option because we're not going to be needing it. Then here we have the show table option, which is this table right here. It basically tells you the current time frame of your chart as well as whatever higher time frame that you're using. It just acts as a bit of a reminder in case you forget. Then in the Style tab, we have options to disable the boxes of the candles, the lines of the candles, and the tables. Now, as you can see, this indicator is now composed of the upper line, the lower line, and the middle line. These 20 candles right here are basically derived from the 30-minute time frame and displayed on this 5-minute time frame chart. If we do a side-by-side comparison between the two, you can see that this is what the indicator printed. And this is the real 30-minute time frame chart, which means the indicator is doing a pretty good job. Next, I'm gonna show you the strategy used in the beginning of the video to take all those profitable trades. But before that, let's talk about HenkoTrade. Now, you may be thinking,
and what exactly is HenkoTrade?
HenkoTrade is one of the most reliable forex brokers out there, and for that reason, I use them every single day. As you can see here, this is my trading history. I mainly trade gold. And up here you can see that this is actually a live account. The reason why I love HenkoTrade so much is because of their extremely low commissions and spreads. On Forex, for example, the spreads can go as low as 0.0 pips, which is actually the lowest they can go. For those of you who love high leverage, HenkoTrade offers a maximum leverage of 1 to 500. If all of that isn't enough, they're also going to give you a 100% bonus for all your deposits up to $25,000. So if you deposit, say, $500, they're gonna give you a bonus of $500, so now you'll have a total of $1,000 to trade with. To access the bonus, as well as all the other perks, sign up to HenkoTrade using the link in the video description. Now, back to the video. Now let's add the extra 2 indicators to the chart and finalize our trading strategy. The trend filter moving average is called double EMA, this one right here. The buy-sell indicator is called twin range filter. this one by Colin MCK. Double-click on the DEMA and change the length to 100. On the Style tab, change the color to whatever you want. For me, I'm gonna go with white. For the Twin Range filter, you wanna change the fast range to 1 and the slow range to 1. After that, click OK. Now to trade using this strategy, here are the conditions. To take a long trade, first, the price should be trading above the white moving average to indicate that the market on the 5-minute time frame is in a bullish trend. Second, we need the Twin Range filter to print a long signal. This long signal is going to increase the probability of the price continuing with this upward move. Next, at the time the long signal is printed, we need to have at least 3 back-to-back bullish or green candles printed right here, with the latest candle opening and closing above the midline. Having 3 back-to-back green candles with the latest one above the midline indicates that the 30-minute time frame is also in a bullish trend. This basically means that if we enter our position right here, there is a very high chance that the price will move in the direction of our trade. Now, to set our stop loss, we're gonna measure the size of this last 30-minute time frame candle from the bottom to the top. We can see it says it's about 24 pips, which means our stop loss is also gonna be roughly 24 pips, and we're gonna have a take profit of 24 pips. We let the trade run and take profit. Now here's another long example. As you can see, the price was trading above the white EMA, indicating a bullish trend. And then the Twin Range filter printed a long signal, increasing the probability of the price continuing with this upward move. Then, looking at the HTF candle insights, we can see 3 back-to-back green candles with the latest one opening and closing above the midline. With all the conditions met, we enter a long position. The stop loss and the take profit is going to be the size of the latest 30-minute candle. Now, to enter a short position, we're going to do the opposite. So like in this example, the price was trading below the white moving average, indicating a bearish trend on the 5-minute time frame. And then the Twin Range filter printed a short signal. This short signal is going to increase the probability of the price continuing with this downward move. Then looking at the HTF candle insights indicator, we can see 3 back-to-back red candles with the latest candle opening and closing below the midline. With all the conditions met, we enter a short position. The stop loss and take profit are going to be based on the size of the latest 30-minute candle. We measure it from the top to the bottom, mark the number of pips, and then we set the same number of pips for the stop loss and the take profit. We let the trade run and take profit. In summary, the HTF Candle Insights Indicator is a tool designed to assist traders in understanding and analyzing market trends across different timeframes. With customizable visual features and powerful analytical tools, it empowers traders to identify trends and pinpoint support and resistance levels and make more informed trading decisions. That's been it for this video. I hope you found some value. If you did, hit the like button below and consider subscribing to stay tuned. Thanks for watching. See you next time.